happy.
Hi guys, today on Courtney Sweets, I'm going to show you how to make our delicious honey cake. It is perfect for fall, it has all the fall flavors, and you can also make it for Rosh Hashanah. The reason I like to make it for Rosh Hashanah is I pair it with my Jewish apple cake, and then we have our apples and our honey, and it really represents the hope and desire for a sweet new year, especially with Yom Kippur coming up. So we hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Let's go. So when I'm making my honey cake, I like to do everything separately. So in my bowl, I have my flour, my baking soda, baking powder, salt, and now I'm adding in those delicious fall spices. I like to use a combination of like what I would use in a pumpkin bread almost, which is cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, ginger, and allspice. Then I'm adding in that coffee for bitter, and then orange juice to balance out with the acidity. And then we're also using avocado oil and honey. When you're using honey, this is the main ingredient. Like, it's a honey cake. So we want to make sure we're using really good quality honey. And I like to do the oil before that. Then I'm adding the vanilla, whisking up those eggs so they blend in beautifully. You can also use a stand mixer, or you can use a little bit of Algro grease and really get it mixed. And then we're going to put it into our pans. So now I have 2 loaf pans, which I'm going to really generously butter. Now I like to use a piece of paper towel or a clean cloth to really make sure I'm spreading that butter evenly, and I do really spread it on well to make sure to get every surface, because you want to make sure the cake is going to release. I'm using a dairy-free butter. This is Country Crock plant-based butter. Once it's all greased, you're ready to put in your batter. I like to fill it about 1/3 to a half of the way, and then you could get about 3 loaves, or you can get 2 loaves and 12 muffins. My kids love the muffins. They are great for breakfast, and then you're just gonna bake them in the oven and they come out beautifully. Whenever you're greasing your pans, this is a huge tip. You wanna make sure you're doing so generously. Now, to keep everything dairy-free and obviously kosher, you wanna use dairy-free butter. We're using Country Crock plant-based butter, and you could see me in the video smearing it all over the pan. Now the reason I do that is because I want it to come right out like that. And we have perfect cakes. They release every time. I also want to say I love my pans. These are USA pans, and they release beautifully. They cook amazingly. They hold up kind of well. We have a little bit of this coloring there, but I mean, they hold up really well. I've been baking with them for years. So just make sure that you're really greasing your pans well, because it will release and you will not have any issues with your cakes. So I hope you guys enjoyed how easy it is to make our honey cake. If you liked this, please make sure you give it a thumb up and subscribe, hit the bell icon so you don't miss a new recipe, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.